Well, a big announcement now being made by the Prime Minister's office with regards to PM Cares Fund Trust that has basically allocated 3,100 crore. The details of which that we are picking up right now is that out of the 3,100 crore, a sum of approximately 2,000 crores will be earmarked for the purchase of ventilators. The numbers that we are also being told right now, that's about 50,000 ventilators. More importantly, one big area, a big concern was what happens with the migrants. Here too, the Prime Minister has addressed it. Now, 1,000 crore rupees will be used for care of migrant laborers. We'll also give you details as to how exactly would the amount be utilized, who exactly would be the repository of this particular money, and how will it be disbursed. Another 100 crores will be given to support of vaccine development. What's very important to point out here is that this is the bifurcation that we have at this point in time. That is roughly about 2,000 crore you're looking at. On the one hand, ventilators, that's roughly about 50,000 ventilators we're talking about. 1,000 crores would be with regards to the migrant laborers. In fact, this money would be given to the state governments as well as union territories, and thereafter this money finally reaches the district collectors as well as municipal workers in order to ensure that this money finally reaches the migrant laborers. Apart from that, we are being told that 100 crore rupees that would be earmarked for development of the vaccine, the support that would be basically given. So right now, with regards to this entire move that has been made by the Prime Minister's office, important to point out here that the PM Cares Fund Trust has allocated 3,100 crore for fight against COVID-19. That's a big development coming in right now.
Hi everyone, this is Arnab Goswami and I want to talk about our digital platform Republic World, the fastest news destination which has got you covered on all fronts, be it politics, entertainment or sport. And the reason I want you to follow Republic World is because for far too long there has only been negativity about India on the digital medium. Republic World is my campaign against the negativity prevalent on social media and digital media. So for the first time, I offer you a choice. Get the content that builds the nation. Avoid the content and avoid everyone on digital media who speaks against the nation. And do not forget to download the Republic World app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching. Together, let's kill the negativity against India on the digital media. Let's ensure that it's truly nation first, no compromise.